I absolutely love these poly mailers I got. This comes in black. However, they have other colors to choose from as well. And this is a 10 by 15. And when you fold it up, it becomes 10 by 13. But they have other sizes to choose from as well. And look how nice and durable it is. Absolutely love it. Very super strong. It's going to hold up well while you're mailing it. That's what I love about it. So these poly mailers are super durable. And they just look really nice when you are shipping out products. Look how nice that is. Now, what I really like about these are that they have self-sealing. So all you have to do is pull that off, and then you are good to go. Just like that. Super strong, very nice. Look at that. I won't even need to put tape on top of it. That's what I love about it. So definitely am impressed. So if you have a small business or you're just mailing some products, definitely recommend it. Very cost effective. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.